Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining, welcome to the family, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. So today we are making fried chicken. We are making buttermilk fried chicken. So in my bowl here I have a whole chicken that I cut up, and I've already washed it in water and vinegar solution. So what I'll be doing now, I'm gonna be seasoning my chicken. Yes, so first I'm gonna be adding some my favorite Maggi chicken, and I'll be adding about a half a teaspoon of this one. Then some Maggi all-purpose, the same amount, half a teaspoon, and this is a whole chicken that I cut up. Half a teaspoon too. Some black pepper, the same amount. I'll be using half a teaspoon for each of these seasoning that I have here. Some garlic powder. Paprika gives your chicken a nice color. So paprika, and then I have another one of my favorite, Easy Spice. This one is the chicken, Easy Spice chicken seasoning. And these seasonings already have salt, so I won't be adding any salt to this. This one is all-purpose, Easy Spice all-purpose. I'll be adding some pimento, some crushed pimento berries. I've already crushed it, so I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over my chicken. And then I have some natural seasoning, some garlic, and a piece of thyme. So now I'm gonna be massaging the seasoning into the chicken. Yes, my hands have already been washed. They are nice and clean, so no worries. So I'm just massaging the seasoning into the chicken. Okay, so I have massaged the seasoning into the chicken, so now it's time to add the buttermilk. For me, I am using low-fat buttermilk today, but it's all up to you. If you want to use regular, it's your choice. So I'm going to be pouring the buttermilk all over the chicken, just enough to cover everything. Yes, and then I'm going to be mixing the pieces all together so everything is into the buttermilk. Then I'll be covering it, and I'll be leaving it to marinate overnight. But if you don't have time to do it before, you can do it and let it marinate for at least an hour. So now it's time to make the coating for the chicken. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of baking powder, half a cup of cornstarch, and that gives it a nice crunch, a teaspoon of paprika, okay, so now it's time to coat the chicken. You let the buttermilk drain a little bit first. Get my hands and make sure that the chicken is fully coated, so your hand will get messy. Leave it on a plate here. So now it's time to start frying the chicken. I've poured some oil in the pot. It's already hot, so I'm just gonna put the chicken pieces in now. And I poured enough oil in there so that when I put the chicken in there, it's fully covered by the oil. So now I'm just gonna cover the pot, let it stay there until it's golden brown, then I turn them over so the other side can fry. Buttermilk fried chicken, delicious, crunchy on the outside, nice and juicy on the inside. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell too. You'll be one of the first to be notified when a new video comes out. Thanks for watching.